The new Honor Magic 2 is one of the first in a new class of futuristic all-screen devices with practically no bezel. Excited? So are we, so let's unbox it and take a look at what's inside the box. You have the phone, of course. It comes with a beautiful gradient finish, but the ceramic back is something you might want to protect, and that's why we're glad to see a basic silicone case in the box. Since the Magic 2 doesn't have a headphone jack, you do get a dongle in the box. You also have a SIM ejector tool and the absolutely awesome 40-watt Supercharger, the fastest charger currently available that will top up your battery to 50% in just 15 to 20 minutes. Impressive stuff. We've already set up the phone, and it's worth mentioning that it ships with the latest Android 9 Pie on board. But on top of that, you have Huawei's custom EMUI interface. However, right after starting the phone, you get an update that changes that to Honor's own Magic UI 2.0, which looks different and has focus on AI. Up front, you have a 6.4-inch AMOLED screen that looks gorgeous. The resolution is 1080 by 2340 pixels or Full HD+, but it still looks plenty sharp to us. It's amazing that this phone has practically no bezel, no chin, and it just feels like you're holding one giant screen in your hand. Truly magical. The other magical part is the slider, of course. Every slide is accompanied with a sound that you can turn on or off, and it does feel reliable and very, very addictive. We love that this phone has 3D face recognition, similar to what you have on the Mate 20 Pro. Face recognition is very fast and very secure, with a depth scan of your face, infrared, and the whole Face ID story that we know from the iPhone X. However, here you have to first slide the phone down to reveal the cameras, and that slows down the process a bit. You also have an in-screen fingerprint scanner, which is not as fast as a traditional fingerprint one, and we actually find it often fails to recognize fingerprint scans from the first attempt, but it's here. What's impressive is under the hood. The Kirin 980 chip powers the show here. Currently, this is Android's fastest chip, beating the Snapdragon 845. You also have Honor's signature GPU turbo mode enabled, making this a great phone for gaming, as it runs even the most demanding games without dropping frames or getting too hot. On the back, you have a triple camera system. A 16 megapixel main camera, an ultra wide angle sensor, and a monochrome sensor. They come with AI digital stabilization, and there is no optical image stabilization on board. In addition to all the standard photo and video modes, there is a cool new AR lens mode that allows you to add characters to still photos or video, and this is one fun gimmick. The Magic 2 comes in either 128GB or 256GB storage versions, and it does have microSD card support. The battery is 3500 mAh, and again, the support for 40-watt supercharge is just amazing. At the end of the day, the Honor Magic 2 lives up to the hype. It's a true bezel-less phone with flagship specs from the future. It's still only available in China though, but we're looking forward to Honor launching it in more countries soon. And this wraps up our quick hands-on look at the Honor Magic 2. Subscribe for more videos, and I will talk to you in the next one.